Hello, get ready to join me on an epic language adventure. I'm Rosalie, an English instructor armed with a bachelor's degree in secretarial administration, specializing in computer education. Computers are my jam, but guiding you to English greatness is my true passion. I've tackled challenges as a fraud specialist and a front desk clerk, sharpening my problem solving skills along the way. Now, as an ESL teacher, I'm here to help you level up your English game. With almost 2 years of experience, I fine tuned my teaching approach to focus on what you need and what interests you. When I'm not teaching, you'll find me exploring new places, diving into captivating books, or whipping up tasty treats in the kitchen. These hobbies help me unwind and recharge. Remember, practice makes perfect when it comes to learning English. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. They're stepping stones to success. I proudly hold TEFL, C1, and C2 proficiency certifications. They make me even more equipped to guide you on this language journey. So buckle up and let's embark on an exciting adventure towards English mastery. Together we'll crush your language goals and have a blast along the way. Come and book your class with me, and we will learn English together in an enjoyable and meaningful way. I hope to see you in my class. Bye!